Well, let's proceed further. So here we are going to add keyframes. So add keyframes. Let's add a name to this animation, neon. We are going to copy this. So from this, press Ctrl C. Let's paste it. And here we are going to provide 2. First, let me paste it. So here what we will do, we will make it double. Okay, so 10. This one, let's make it 20. This one, let's make it 30. This one, let's make it 40. This one, let's make it 60. Okay, and I guess what I will do, I will add here 2 more. Okay, or no, let's keep it like that. Let's see. And we are going to add animation neon, this one only. Next, duration, then we are going to repeat it infinite times and it will happen on alternate. So let's hit save and let's come here and let's take a look. Friend, how is this? Well, let's make it more, right? So what we will do, we are going to add few more, like press Ctrl C. Let me hit paste. This one, instead of 30, let's make it 40. And this one, let's make it 80. Okay, and let's delete this one. And yeah, this will be semicolon, this will be a comma. Let's hit save. And let me again copy it. Press Ctrl C. And from this, here also it's 10, 20. This one will be, yeah, this is fine. This is fine. This one will be 80. And next we will add one more 160 pixel 0 ff. Let's hit save and let's take a look, friend. Yeah, see, how is this looking? Let's make the background more darker. So let's make it 111. Let's hit save. Yeah, awesome, isn't it? Isn't this amazing? Let's make it 1 second only. Even 1.5 is fine. Let's make it 1 second. Yeah. How is this? Isn't this amazing? Yeah, I guess 1 second is looking better. Okay, alright. So that's it for this project. See you in our next project. Till then, have fun. Take care.